Alright, which of the following situations can be modeled by a linear permutation? There's more than one correct answer choice. Select all correct answer choices. Okay, so linear permutations are ones that go in a line. So assigning seats for wedding guests around a table, there is no definite start and definite end point for the seats around a table, because any person, based on their own opinion, could say, well, this is seat 1 and this is seat 2, whereas another person could come in and say, no, this is seat 1 and this is seat 2. So there's no definite beginning and end, so that is not a linear permutation. Arranging unique beads on a necklace with no clasp. Okay, no clasp again on a necklace means that you could have all sorts of beads right here. And again, someone could come up and say, well, this is bead 1 and this is bead 2 and this is bead 3. Because there's not a clasp, there's no way to really designate if actually this was bead 1, bead 2, bead 3. So there's no initial start and initial end. So that one's not a linear permutation. So assigning seats at a wedding for a rectangular head table so that the wedding party sits at only one side of the table. So we would have one side of the table, we would have one beginning, you would set them, and one end. So there is a definite start and a definite end, whether you start at this end and work here, or start at this end and work here. There are definite places to stop and designate that as an assignment. So that is a linear permutation. And then arranging books on a bookshelf. Again, that is a linear permutation because you have an initial starting book that goes from left to right, and that is a designation for a linear permutation, that you have an initial starting place. So that's how I would go through and answer this question. Again, remember, circular permutations are if you have anything in a circle. So the key word here is no clasp, because then it doesn't give you a definitive like ending and beginning.